Well, the coronavirus pandemic has affected the way the city is putting out its message about hurricane preparedness. With many people still working from home, the presentation is now being done remotely. And as our Greg Chandler reports, a presentation today was aimed at local business leaders.
With hurricane season underway, families should at least have an idea of what their emergency plans are. But emergency managers say business emergency plans are just as important. The start of hurricane season is always a busy time for Corpus Christi's Office of Emergency Management.
Anybody that enters a building.
For Billy Delgado and his staff, it's a time of stressing the importance of emergency plans. For businesses, that includes plans for shutting down before and reopening after a hurricane.
It's very important for a business to get back up as soon as possible, bring the city back, being normal. So it's very important that they do have a plan in place.
Corpus Christi was spared the brunt of Hurricane Harvey 3 years ago. Other communities weren't as lucky. But their recovery showed that getting businesses up and running go a long way towards recovery as a whole.
We got very lucky with Harvey in Corpus Christi. The plans that they had in place were very good. We communicated with the businesses during the time.
But this year, those plans are complicated by the pandemic.
With COVID-19, you have to take in consideration the social distancing, the safety of not only the evacuees, but the employees, signage.
Delgado says the city plans to use double the number of buses it normally uses for evacuations. Emergency managers are also working on what to do with COVID patients during an evacuation.
We'll make sure that everybody gets out of town safely.
Delgado says there will be plenty of precautions to prevent COVID-19 from spreading through evacuation centers. Emergency managers are finalizing those plans. In Corpus Christi, Greg Chandler, Chris 6 News.
And Delgado also added that anyone riding a city evacuation bus should be wearing a mask, and if you don't have a mask, they will give you one at an evacuation center.